Alright, we're going to do our first attempt here at beef jerky. Got a nice cut of beef here, nice round roast beef here. And I got it cut into strips here. And I'm going to do my first batch. I'm going to marinate. I'm going to put together my marinade first. And then I'm going to be making it in the air fryer. Right now, let's just get this. I'm going to put together my marinade now. Alright, and I'll show you the marinade when it's on there. And there is in the marinade. Now I got to marinate it for a while. And then after it's marinated, then I'll make the beef jerky. Alrighty, the first batch getting ready to go in. I don't know if that'll come on. No, not with that open. First batch getting ready to go in of beef jerky. Bottom is peppered, the top isn't. It's just marinated. They're both marinated in the same thing. Just the bottom has pepper in it. Pepper on it. Alright. Going to go into the air fryer. And we're going to dehydrate right in there. Some of it was already eaten, but there's regular beef jerky, which is really good. And then we got the peppered beef jerky that I made. Not bad. Now I'm getting a meat slicer. That's the beef jerky. All hand cut. Second batch of beef jerky is done. Wasabi. And this is Tabasco. It's pretty good. I'm eating it. So is Shiny.
Hello.
And dogs grab every piece that drops. Lannis. Hi, Lannis. Hi, Lannis.